At Siesta Key Beach Chairs, guests staying at Siesta Sun receive a complimentary set of lounge chairs. Booking this correctly in Beachy is very important. There are financial implications. If it's a Siesta Sun guest, you need to select a guest set, add that to your cart. Once it's in the cart, hit multi-use pass. Hit search. Type in the unit number. All of our multi-use passes begin with unit. Select the appropriate pass from the guest, and now you must select what you want it to be applied to. This screen is tricky for some folks. Once it's highlighted pink, and then the apply button pops up. Once you've applied the multi-use pass, down in the payment order, all of the payment options have disappeared. This is because the multi-use pass zeroed out the balance. All you have to do is hit complete order, type in the guest name so that we can verify that there's no fraud, if the guest wants a receipt, they can ask for one. And then from there, the process is the same. Have the guest sign the waiver. And the process is complete.